Bullying happens, but that doesn't mean you have to accept it. You can do something about it. So what I like to tell people is keep a diary, a journal of everything that happened. Write it down. Note the date that it happened, any details that you can remember, write that down. It's always good to keep track of what's been happening because then you're showing a pattern behavior. And when you do approach someone about this, you've got something you can show them. You can tell them, look, this is what happened. This is what's been going on. And it really shows a pattern of behavior that needs to be stopped by the other person who's bullying you. If they send you a text message, an email, if they send you anything online, keep it. File that away. That's still something that you can prove that you're being bullied. You shouldn't have to, but someone should just believe you. But this is also a way to prove that this has been going on. If you feel like that you've been harassed and bullied, then yes, you're being bullied. Go to any adult on campus, your parents, anyone that you trust, and tell them. Start there. Always keep track of everything that's happened and don't be afraid to speak up.